I feel very proud because he was telling this on some news channel and I was sitting beside the lights. So एक moment के लिए मेरे आँखों में भी आंसू आ गया था. The first flight, our first flight is called an air experience. So flying के time पे initially I did not have any idea. I just knew that even in the flying school I was the youngest. Was very shocked. Because I remember calling my mother and telling her that I just got to know that I'll be amongst the youngest CPL holders, and she was quite shocked with that as well. It is quite expensive. अभी तक till my CPL I've spent around, और मेरे hours इतने जल्दी बढ़ रहे थे that I had to pay 2 installments in just 15 days का time. They had to let their 17-year-old figure out lots of things. I traveled somewhere around 36 hours, और me going all the way to Delhi and coming back alone, वो उनके लिए भी mentally tiring था. Jaipur is my whole childhood.
Say your mother I'm flying with me.
I cannot say that on camera. Schooling, I did 5th standard tak. I did in Shishu Niketan Sainik School, and the whole high school I've done from Shantiniketan, and 11th and 12th I was in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Remember my mother telling, जा कर ले, नहीं हुआ तो देख लेंगे. So इसके अलावा there was a point when I wanted to be an architect, because of which we used to feel thermals. तो एकदम से aircraft 200 feet ऊपर जा रहा है, 200 फीट नीचे आ रहा है. सो
ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಂದ್ರೆ
ಹೆಂಗತ್ತ
ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಗರಿ ನೀವು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದೇನು? 18 ವರ್ಷದಾಗ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
RTOದವ್ರು ಕಾಸ್ತಾರ 18 ಈಗ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
ಇವ್ರು ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಾರ.
ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾರ. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ
ಭಾರಿ ಬಿಡು.
ನಾವು ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ?
ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗಟ್ಟ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ.
ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ್ರಿ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಡು.
ಇವತ್ತು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ಏನು ಆದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ.
ಪೈಲಟ್ ಯಾರು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆವರ್ ಸೀನ್ ಸಮ್ ಒನ್ ಸೋ ಅಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಅ ಯಂಗ್ ಏಜ್ ಪೈಲಟ್ to छोड़. We have not seen people becoming themselves at 18.
ಇನ್ನು ಯಂಗ್ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ, ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೈಲಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಭಾಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋಜರ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಸಮಾರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿನೂ ಆಕಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗೆಷ್ಟು ಪೈಲಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರೀಗ. ಟ್ರೂಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಐತಿ. ಪೂರಾ ಆಕಿನ ಏನೇನು ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಐತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾಳ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾಳ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋಡಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಾ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಈ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಪೂರಾ ಎಂಡ್ ತನಕ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಐತಿ, ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್, ಇಂಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಯಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೈಲಟ್,
ವಿಜಯಪುರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್
ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
समारे माताड़ता
ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
What is the difference? पहले कैसा फील होता था और अब अचानक इतनी लाइमलाइट, जैसे आपके डैड बोल रहे थे, तो how does it feel now?
It feels, I mean, I am an introvert, तो मुझे ज़्यादा बात नहीं होता मुझसे, तो it is a bit overwhelming, but then at the same time I feel that I've gotten a spotlight, so I should use it in some good way. So I hope people see me and get inspired to do something.
Right.
हमारा ये 12th के बाद, जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल मी
12th के बाद मुझे भी कन्फ्यूजन था कि मैं इंजीनियरिंग करूँ, क्या MBBS करूँ, क्या पायलट बनूँ। तो ये डिसीजन पर्टिकुलरली पायलट बनने का ये कैसा हुआ आपका डिसीजन?
सो इट वाज नॉट ऐसे सडन नहीं था, बिकॉज पहले से मम्मा यूज्ड टू सी मी एंड शी वुड बी लाइक, बेटा यू वोंट बी एबल टू डू 9 to 5, एक जगह बैठ के मेरे को काम करना नहीं आता. सो एंड आई नीड एवरीथिंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर वे, कि हर चीज़ परफेक्ट होनी चाहिए. सो शी सेड that why don't you try becoming a pilot. So I started watching videos and all YouTube पे. तो that was a bit ऐसे a glimmer to the eyes वाला thing हो गया कि pilots have a very nice lifestyle and all. So तब initially सोचा, but then I would say that I was not very sure before going to Delhi as well. तो वहाँ पे जाने के बाद when I actually saw what pilots do, because my ground instructor, he himself was an airline captain. So he used to come in his uniform to teach us. So that was sometimes बहुत अच्छा लगता था देख के. So I used to watch him, and then that was when I actually got to know what pilots do. So that I would say कि हाई स्कूल में एक जब मैंने डिसाइड किया, and when I actually went there and I saw them in person, so that those were the 2 times when I was like कि yes, it is a सही option, सही decision.
परसों I was talking to her dad first time जब I called him. हम दोनों की बहुत अच्छी बात हुई, 5 मिनट तो बात हुई. So he mentioned this कि एक वक्त था जब मुझे मेरी बेटी को इस I'm just mentioning कैसे exactly उन्होंने बोला, अमीन की बेटी करके जानी जाती थी मेरी बेटी. बट आज ऐसा टाइम है कि मैं खुद समायरा का फादर करके जाना चाह रहा. सो इट्स अ वेरी प्राउड थिंग. हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दिस?
I feel very proud because he was telling this on some news channel and I was sitting beside the lights. So एक मोमेंट के लिए मेरे आँखों में भी आंसू आ गया था. So it felt very nice that I did do something which has made him proud.
Of course you did.
अभी ये है कि समझो अभी मेरा 12th कंप्लीट कर दिया, अभी व्हाट वुड बी माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप टू बिकम अ पायलट? स्कूल्स कैसे ढूंढूं, किधर एडमिशन है, किधर ट्रेनिंग होता है, वो आपने कैसे फिगर आउट किया?
Okay, so what I have right now is a CPL, commercial pilot license. तो उसके लिए we need a few documents, which is medicals and your exam के results and flying के hours. So all of this can be either done all 3 all together या फिर एक करके भी कर सकते हैं. So first I'll tell mine. तो जैसे ही 12th हुआ, I went to Delhi and I did my class 2 medicals.
Okay.
तो class 2 medicals, both the medicals, class 1 and class 2, these are done from DGCA approved doctors.
Okay.
So उनकी एक पूरी list है on the Google. तो you can just go there and find out that list. उसमें जो doctors है, we can get the medicals done from only them. So I did my class 2. उसके बाद we need papers. So there are these 5 main subjects: metrology, regulation, navigation, technical general, technical specific. Technical specific is of a specific aircraft. कि मेरे flying school में कौन सा aircraft है, तो I'll give the exam only for that.
Okay.
And the last one is RT, radio telephony. So this you have to be minimum 18 years to give that exam. So ये 5 plus RT, you have to have these results. And the flying school is, flying schools का भी एक list है on Google itself. So उसमें सभी Indian flying schools है and with the aircrafts which they have. So I would say the best way to find out which flying school is nice is पहले तो you visit there and check कि वहाँ पे aircrafts actual में flying कितने कर रहे हैं. Because most of the schools have aircrafts on the list, but उनमें से आधे से ज़्यादा तो maintenance में होता है. So they are not actually flying. So you just go there, visit the flying school. Unko you can ask directly. They'll answer you. So you can ask them what is the instructor to student ratio. So because of the ratio, तो depend करता है कि कितनी ज़्यादा flying मिलेगी. If one instructor has 30 students, then the flying would be बहुत कम, क्योंकि everyone has their FDTL. तो उनका हर दिन का लिमिट होता है कि they can only fly for a particular number of hours. So उसमें वो कितने बच्चों को ले जाएंगे. So instructor to student ratio and the aircrafts which are actually flying, or the name in the market also matters, क्योंकि कुछ flying schools है जो ऑनलाइन नहीं दिखाई देते जल्दी. तो it would be better that if you go to a flying school, it should be a well recognized one. So that is for flying schools. And for the papers, abhi FTOs, the flying schools, have their own ground classes as well. But not all the schools do. So there's a place in Delhi, Ramphal Chowk, which is famous, like aviation का कोटा बुला सकते हैं वहाँ पे. So if you are someone related to aviation, they say you have to go to Ramphal Chowk at least once. So I took my classes from that particular place itself. वहाँ पे there are a lot of flying ground classes. So one of which is Vinod Yadav Aviation Academy. There are others, IFA है, Sahil Khurana है. All of those are nice. All of those are well recognized ones. तो वहाँ पे जाके same thing. The way flying school check करना पड़ता था, जाके ground school भी check ही करना पड़ता है, because जब तक you don't go there and see what the actual thing is going on, तब तक it is hard to just blindly कि हाँ मैं यहीं पे जाऊँगा, and just that doesn't happen. So I would say flying schools also matter करता है, because I was in Carver Aviation, Baramati.
Commercial pilot हुआ. So what is the other thing? Private pilot?
Private pilot.
What is the difference between commercial and private pilot?
Private pilots, by definition, private pilots cannot fly for money. So they can only fly their own aircrafts. So they cannot carry passengers as well. So, and the requirements are different for both. PPL के लिए the minimum age requirement is 17. For CPL it's 18. And PPL hours requirement is also 40 hours. Ours is 200 hours.
There was this paper, radio transmission technology.
Yes.
Which you were not allowed to give because you were 17.
I was not 18.
You were not completely 18. उस मोमेंट पे आपको लगा कि मैं जो सपना देख रही हूँ या फिर the halfway or more than half I've come, ये शायद टूटने वाला है, या फिर maybe I can't make it?
No, I was not in doubt because it was just an age requirement. I was very sure कि as soon as I am 18, I will somehow, in the first or the second attempt, I will clear RT. Because even my flying school had told कि if I don't clear RT in this attempt, you can just add 3 more months to your CPL completion. So I was like, अब तो करना ही है.
अभी ये है कि अभी आपका फेवरेट अभी एयरक्राफ्ट कुछ है आपका? A380 एयरबस
Favorite aircraft, I would say Boeing 737, because I don't know the actual thing, but I've heard that you actually get the feel of the aircraft when you fly. So as pilots going from a Cessna to a 737, it would be very nice, because Cessna mein also we actually feel the aircraft. So and most people say that 320 is mostly automation. So I would prefer 737.
Cessna में सिर्फ इंस्ट्रक्टर और आप रहते हो क्या? पैसेंजर्स नहीं रहता है?
No.
Cessna is only for training.
Yes. It is a 4-seater aircraft, but then as trainees we are not allowed to take anyone except the instructor.
और जो आपने जो 200 आवर्स कंप्लीट किया है वो सिमुलेटर पे किया है क्या रियल फ्लाइंग सिस्टम?
Actual flying.
एक्चुअल फ्लाइंग।
Yes.
How was your first flight experience?
The first flight. Our first flight is called an air experience. So इस flight में they check our body का tolerances, like camel ride करवाएंगे and they'll do steep maneuvers. तो they just check कि if you are able to, if you are feeling nauseous or not.
वो जी फोर्स
Yeah. So I remember my instructor. She was doing all these maneuvers and I kept smiling at her and she asked, "मज़ा आ रहा है?" like, हाँ मैम. So I even wrote this छोटा सा शायरी kind of thing. While writing the शायरी, I was like, my first flight has made me a shayar. That much fun I had in it. So the smile was on from takeoff to touchdown. The feels I was feeling in my gut, I can never frown. In hazy atmosphere and clear intentions, cutting through air in the calmest cockpit, there is hardly a buzz. I look out of the window and oh, now I'm facing the ground. I look back in and realized, God, I never felt so belonged.
That's so
Good one,
nice.
good one.
अच्छा, tell me about पापा मैं पायलट बन गई मोमेंट जो था, या फिर you know this पहले से कि you are becoming the India's youngest, one of the India's youngest pilot, और जैसे हुआ पता चला. Tell me about the story कि how did you get to know कि you have become the India's youngest pilot?
So flying के time पे initially I did not have any idea. I just knew that even in the flying school I was the youngest. So I just had that in mind, but all over India का मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था. तो while I was about to finish, my instructors told me that you're gonna be the youngest CPL holder from Carver. So that was the moment I was like, oh. And then I went on Google and I checked everything and I saw the other pilots who are also there. They were also 18. So like, I'll be amongst the youngest Indian CPL holders. So that was a moment I was very shocked, because I remember calling my mother and telling her that I just got to know that I'll be amongst the youngest CPL holders, and she was quite shocked with that as well.
So मेरा अभी फॉर एग्जांपल मी जब मैंने सेम क्वेश्चन की 12th के बाद मैंने भी थोड़ा रिसर्च किया कि पायलट बनने के लिए क्या कुछ एक्सपेंस हो सकते हैं. तो व्हेन आई केम अक्रॉस दैट मुझे थोड़ा इंफॉर्मेशन आया कि थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट आई बैक ऑफ. सो कैन आई नो व्हाट वाज द टोटल एक्सपेंस कि सच्ची में इतना एक्सपेंसिव है कि सिर्फ ऑनलाइन दिखाया जाता है?
It is quite expensive. Abhi tak, till my CPL, I've spent around 50 lakhs. So, and it is not the end. इसके बाद भी और there are expenses. So I'll give the breakout. So for the ground classes, I've spent 2.5 lakhs for all the 5 subjects. And after that, for this flying training, the fees at my time pay was 42 lakhs. And the academies...
For 2 years?
No, it is for the 200 hours.
Okay.
It is not according to the years, it's
Okay.
200 hours ka.
Okay.
So it was 42 lakhs and now it has increased. So fees altogether, I would say I've spent somewhere about 48 lakhs, and the stay and all included 2 lakhs ऊपर का, तो 50 lakhs.
दिल्ली पे आप हॉस्टल में थे क्या घर था?
Yeah, this Rampal Chowk that I have mentioned, वहाँ पे this is only aviation वाले people. So there are only coaching classes and PGs.
Okay.
So I was staying in a PG there.
Where do you see yourself in the future?
In
What's your
the
plan?
future, after this, let's say 5 years, I would say I would be in a nice uniform of airline. And this is not the end, like this is only the first step. So iske baad there are a lot of achievements that I have to achieve. So I would say that I'm working on those after this. So I hopefully get that at an early age as well.
Your parents, of course, they have supported you. We have seen the interviews and we got to know that your parents supported you a lot. But what were the struggles your parents faced, which are not out yet? Of course, there are a lot of struggles they have faced, and not just them, it's you also. But what were the challenges faced by your parents while making you a pilot?
While making me a pilot, I would say there were two biggest challenges. एक तो finance arrange करना in such a short time, because we have installments and those installments have to be paid after a certain number of hours. और मेरे hours इतने जल्दी बढ़ रहे थे that I had to pay 2 installments in just 15 days का time. So them arranging those finances in such a short time was a challenge. And the other thing which I would say was they had to let their 17-year-old figure out lots of things, क्योंकि there was a time when I came back from flying रात में and I had to leave for Delhi. So I came back from flying at around 9. I left for Delhi from Baramati and I travelled somewhere around 36 hours. Or me going all the way to Delhi and coming back alone, वो उनके लिए भी mentally tiring था, because they were always on their phone कि बेटा पहुँच गई. So I would say letting their 17-year-old do so many things would have been a challenge if I were a parent.
Which is your favorite airport?
Favorite airport? As of now, it is Baramati Airport because, yeah. But otherwise,
किधर travel किया आपने?
As trainees, we only do Baramati पे ही, but we have requirements के हिसाब से we have to land at 3 extra airports. So I've landed in Osmanabad, Latur and Sholapur.
Okay. What are the things you gave up for becoming a pilot, to become a pilot?
To become a pilot at this age.
Sacrifice.
Okay, so because
people your age, students your age, don't usually sacrifice things, no? 17, 18 is the main age for children. So what are the things you sacrificed?
I would say I would happily sacrifice whatever I've sacrificed. I've happily done that because at the end it was worth it.
So what are the perks of becoming a pilot? Sujita, you know, we have seen. I know a story that you and your mother were flying and your mother saw some pilot and how they were being respected and people were giving them way. So apart from that, what are the perks of becoming a pilot?
Perks of becoming a pilot are, I would say you would get lots of free tickets from the airline. And I would say those free tickets are only for a particular people. Like you get free tickets and your family gets free tickets. It's not like ki they have a whole bunch of coupon ki free ticket le lo. So that is one of the perks. You get to travel to new places, and these are the perks of becoming an airline pilot. So as a student pilot, the perks I had was I used to get pretty views outside my window. So my office was a very nice one. And yeah, those are the only perks. You have to, I mean, there's a health benefit. Because you can only be a pilot if you're healthy, and to continue being a pilot you have to be healthy. So for that, all the pilots I've seen, they go to gym, they run marathons, so they are also into this health managing wala thing. So it is प्लस पॉइंट कि अपने जॉब की वजह से आपको अपना हेल्थ भी देखना पड़ता है.
हाउ हैज़ योर लाइफ चेंज्ड? मतलब आपका डे टू डे रूटीन पहले कैसा था, अभी पायलट बनने के बाद, यंगेस्ट पायलट बनने के बाद अभी क्या है आपका डे टू डे रूटीन?
उठो इंटरव्यू
वो रूटीन क्या है?
These days I wake up very late because I am tired with all the speaking. So I'm waking up late, getting up, having breakfast, studying, and also one of the perks is you have to study all your life.
It's a perk.
Yeah, I would say it's a perk.
आप जैसे बच्चों को हम हमारे माँ बाप से दूर रखते हैं. कुछ सीखो इनसे.
So I study a bit. फिर आजकल तो बस इंटरव्यूज़ ही हो रहे हैं. But otherwise, before this went viral, I was studying, spending time with the family because बहुत टाइम बाद मैं वापस घर आई हूँ. And as a student pilot, my routine was waking up, going to the base, and I used to report to my instructors for flying, and they gave me flying. So the whole day went by flying के आगे पीछे, because we have to have a mandatory 1 hour rest period before we go on another flight. So वो fly करके आते थे and they used to be like 1 घंटे बाद वापस आ जाना. So वो 1 घंटा टाइम पास में चला जाता, फिर वापस जाके flying करते. So this was the whole day, and yeah, the whole routine was around my flying का time, कि flying night में हो रही है तो waking up very late, somewhere around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, because I had to be awake. There was a time I remember I slept twice after seeing the sunrise. So उतना ज़्यादा fly करके मैं आ रही थी. So that was the routine then.
Do you remember any funny moment from your the 200 hours?
कोई स्टोरी
कोई
वगैरह
story,
है, इंटरेस्टिंग
funny story which happened,
A funny story.
which is not normal.
I mean, there are very abnormal things because all of us are trainee pilots and we make mistakes.
I mean, एक mistake कर दिया, अरे नहीं करना, ऊपर जाके मालूम पड़ा, ऐसे कुछ नहीं.
No, nothing like that with me, because I was a very follow the checklist person. So उस वजह से that is why the checklists are there. So I used to follow the checklist. So उस वजह से कुछ हुआ तो नहीं है. But the only funny stuff is when I had a certain number of hours, good number of hours, and I used to come for landings. और एक point के बाद you understand everything that is going on, कि इधर से हवा आ रही है, so you have to give a certain correction. तो if those corrections are थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया, तो I used to start smiling कि ओ अब तो ये होगा, और वो हो जाता. So that was the only funny thing.
Okay. So सूत्रों से पता चला कि your dad is into archaeological stuff.
Yes.
Mostly into monuments and all. So he has much knowledge, more than anyone in Bijapur. I feel not many people have it.
Yes.
Like he has. So Bijapur आपकी ज़िंदगी में what role does Bijapur play, and what about the monuments of Bijapur?
Bijapur is my whole childhood, क्योंकि all the 18 years of my life I was in Bijapur. So I would say it is a very nice place in terms of monuments and all, because those people who don't even know Bijapur का नाम know Gol Gumbaz. So it was a very famous spot for us as well in flying, क्योंकि we could see Gol Gumbaz from a very far distance. So yeah.
And say your mother, I'm flying away with me.
I cannot say that on camera.
Okay.
Yeah. So in terms of monuments, it's a very nice place because Bijapur has a very rich history. And I remember at my Artika exam maybe there was interview, So they asked us questions, and the examiner told me to tell something about Bijapur. And because my father knows a lot of stuff, I started everything. And he was like, "Oh, is this place so famous? I don't know about this." I was like, "Sir, thank you. Now you know."
पहले बीजापुर गोल गुम्बद से जाना जाता था, अभी आपके नाम से जाना जाएगा।
Oh my goodness.
No, you've added a lot to it.
आपका स्कूलिंग किधर हुआ था?
Schooling, I did 5th standard tak. I did in Shishu Niketan Sainik School, and the whole high school I've done from Shantiniketan, and 11th and 12th I was in Kendriya Vidyalaya.
फ्रेंड सर्कल में फुल फ्रेंड्स।
How did your friends react to it?
A few of my friends were aware of what I was doing, but most of them had no idea, क्योंकि it was a very new thing और मेरे को बहुत focused रहना था। तो when you say that I'm even a student pilot, तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा attention आता है। So I was like, no, I'm not gonna tell it to anyone. And I also got messages from all of my school friends. They were like, first thing, we did not know what you were doing, and the second thing, we know you are all over the news. So it was a very shocking news for them, because they did not know. But I have a few of my friends who have been very supportive starting से.
टेल मी अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स, हाउ सपोर्टिव आर दे? बिकॉज आजकल सब पेरेंट्स ऐसे रहते हैं कि 12th के बाद आइदर इंजीनियरिंग और MBBS, पायलट का ऑप्शन तो रहता ही नहीं दिमाग में। तो वो बताओ आपके पेरेंट्स का। हाँ, लॉ, सॉरी।
तो my parents बचपन से they've been supportive about everything. I am also into lots of adventurous stuff. I used to go horse riding. I am a horse rider. And I used to go rock climbing with my father in Badami.
Okay.
And all the crazy stuff, like adventurous stuff, they have pushed me to do that. तो I would say starting से वो exposure था कि नई चीज़ try करने का. तो that also turned out pretty well when they were exposing me to aviation. So this proposal came from them कि पहले तो मेरे mind में था नहीं, because I was just a high schooler. स्कूल में मार्क्स ही अच्छे आ जाते तो काफ़ी थे. तो my mother, the incident of all the people moving away, she was fascinated with that, and she told कि you should try for this. So they've been starting say supportive about me becoming a pilot.
And there were no second thoughts?
Sorry?
Second thoughts कुछ भी नहीं थे कि?
No, especially my mother never had second thoughts.
Like नहीं, suppose अभी pilot नहीं तो क्या?
उन्होंने वही बोल के भेजा था, because most of the people they either do their degree and go as a backup plan, but then I remember my mother telling, जा कर ले, नहीं हुआ तो देख लेंगे.
Confidence चाहिए.
So बचपन से you were also that kid जो बचपन में बोलता कि डॉक्टर बनना है?
No, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलती थी.
क्या बोला जाएगा एक डॉक्टर?
I don't remember what I used to say, but.
So did you have any other thing in your mind ever कि before your mother giving you this idea?
I mean, I like new things. So there are a lot of things I want to do career-wise as well. So I won't just confine myself to aviation. So इसके अलावा there was a point when I wanted to be an architect, because my father is an interior designer, and I used to see all these. I had a whole Pinterest account, and it was filled with all the pretty buildings. I used to design them myself. So that was one thing which I had in my mind. And उसके अलावा तो there were only phases कि ये नहीं बनना, अभी ये बनना, अभी ये बनना. So those were only phases, but I would say aviation and designing was the main thing.
ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट है कि कभी कोई सही से बात नहीं किया and last few days में they've called you and told you
तुम्हारा याद है क्या?
नो, देयर हैव बीन इंसिडेंट्स जिन्होंने बात नहीं किया, उनका कॉल आया ही नहीं अभी तक.
ओके समर, अभी आपको लाइसेंस मिल गया, व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप?
So the next step for me is airlines. Otherwise, there are a few other streams. Is maybe कि you can become an instructor or you can go for airlines. So I chose airlines, and to go there are two ways again. कि there will be vacancies coming up. They post it on their pages. So there will be vacancies coming up for CPL freshers or type rating. This type rating is on the bigger aircrafts like the 320, 737, and this is simulator training. So these trainings are either in Delhi or abroad. So either we can do it by ourselves, by sponsoring it ourselves, or there will be vacancies coming for CPL freshers. So that is a very long process. कि there are 5 levels. कि exam होगा, there will be GD, there's ADAB and Compass. These are a few tests kind of thing. Psychometry होगा, and then last will be interview. So it is a long process, and they are taking good number of CPL freshers अभी आजकल बहुत ले रहा है. तो आई एम थिंकिंग कि आई गो फॉर दैट. इफ आई couldn't clear the exam, then I'll do type rating by myself, and again there will be vacancies for that.
So you have to apply for that?
Yes.
The company?
With the different companies. So
will this add to your CV, India's youngest pilot?
I did add it, like उसमें about me में मैंने लिखा है that I am recognized as amongst India's youngest CPL holders.
Students at your age are completely into social media right now, like all over social media. So this thing, aviation, कितना रोकी social media को अपनी ज़िंदगी में enter करने से? Or were you active?
No, I've been quite inactive, like a ghost on social media. So there are lots of pilots who are vloggers as well. So because this industry is very glamorous, people follow pilots a lot. But I restricted myself because I was like, this is only my training wala part. So even after this, I don't think I'll use social media more. But because I am a private person, I did not post. But मेरे friends थे who are also in the training school, so they are also into this thing and they keep posting. So I was like, I felt कि हर चीज़ दिखाना नहीं होता, because that would again attract evil eye and all. So I never posted, but then it is a nice feel, so everyone likes to know more about it.
आपके जो स्कूल था, फ्लाइंग स्कूल, उधर यंगेस्ट आप ही थे?
Yeah.
तो आपके सीनियर से कुछ आपको प्रेशर वगैरह कुछ आता था क्या?
No, all of my friends, even the others who were not very close, so everyone was very supportive. Because they used to see me study all the time, so I would say there was no ऐसे ragging kind of thing, and yeah, everyone was nice there.
So suppose अभी आपका एक सिलेक्शन हो गया किसी कंपनी में, so ज्वाइनिंग होने के बाद आपको सिमुलेटर ट्रेनिंग दिया जाएगा कि एज अ को पायलट बिठाया जाएगा?
If I clear through CPL, तो एयरलाइन के थ्रू टाइप रेटिंग होता है.
What is type rating actually?
Type rating is getting yourself rated on either of the aircrafts, जैसे 320 है, 737. So like we used to fly Cessnas, मेरे स्कूल में 172s थे, the other schools have 152s, तो उसके लिए स्पेसी देना पड़ता है. तो वैसे ही रेटिंग इज़ ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर एयरक्राफ्ट, उसका सिम होगा, and they'll teach you on the simulator, because flying an actual 737 is not economical. So simulator पे training होता है, and then after even after we join the airline, they'll have SIM checks. तो SIM check होगा, and उसके बाद there will be the first time when there's a base check. The base check is the only time when a pilot gets to fly a whole aircraft, and it is without the passengers. It's an empty aircraft. It's an empty 737.
Have you ever faced turbulence in your 200 hours?
Yeah, there was not a lot of turbulence, and this is not actually turbulence, these were thermals. Because the place I was flying, that had a lot of factories around. Okay. So वो factories की heat की वजह से there used to be कुछ pockets because of which we used to feel thermals. तो एकदम से aircraft 200 feet ऊपर जा रहा है, 200 feet नीचे आ रहा है. So that was not scary because वो Cessnas जो भी करता है बहुत प्यार से करता है, तो वो एकदम आराम से ऊपर जा रहा है, बट इट यूज टू गो इन अ सेकेंड. तो वी यूज टू ओनली गिव द कंट्रोल उसको, तो वो वापस नीचे आ जाता है. एंड बट दैट वाज इनिशियली थोड़ा सा टायरिंग बिकॉज इनिशियली वी आर नॉट यूज टू लुकिंग एवरीवेयर. तो ऐसे ऊपर जा रहा है और मेरे को पता भी नहीं चलता था. एंड माई इंस्ट्रक्टर यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, लुक एट द ऑल्टीमीटर, इट्स गोइंग 200 feet, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
Pilots do, right?
Yes.
So, the co-pilot can sleep, no? Just curious.
I mean, yeah, because
one pilot can also.
Because out of the two pilots, one is the pilot in command.
Okay.
Yeah, like airlines में तो there's one captain and a co-pilot, but then we don't actually sleep because there's a lot of noise in our aircrafts also, क्योंकि उस वजह से नींद नहीं आती. It is always a continuous propeller का आवाज़ आता रहता है, तो it is quite not comfortable to sleep in the cockpit.
People usually बीजापुर में हो या फिर आसपास कहीं भी हो, there are aviation centers and people go for what cabin crew and other things which are like air hostess and all. How did you dare to jump to pilot? You had so many small things in your way, but how did you jump to pilot? Like, जब आपकी मम्मी ने बोला कि you become a pilot and she gave an idea कि you become a pilot, so जब दिमाग में ख्याल नहीं आया कि pilot बहुत दूर की बात है?
नहीं, I mean स्टार्टिंग से वही मन में था ना, तो it was not a very huge challenge कि there were no confusions कि मेरे को ये करना है कि नहीं. तो I never thought of becoming a cabin crew. So yeah.
So Myra, I guess this is your first podcast experience.
Second.
Which podcast?
I had an online podcast of sorts with my instructor.
Oh, instructor.
Yesterday.
So tell us something about us now. Our podcast.
How was this
Not
experience?
Experience and all is okay, but in Bijapur, I guess you have not seen any podcasts before.
Yeah.
So I feel this is the first podcast in Bijapur. We'll also feel good now.
You have a very nice setup, like a very professional setup.
This is specially for you. This was not here. This was upstairs. It was all in dark. We used to shoot at night.
Oh.
So you have made it here. Yeah, continue. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So you have a very nice professional setup, and yeah. I mean, I don't know a lot of podcasts, so, but then it was a very comfortable one as well.
Tell our audience not to watch it.
That camera. Every success.
Like, share, and subscribe.
That's it.
Cut.